Hello, everyone. My name is Riley, and this is Chad's Shop. In today's episode, we'll be covering what I've done to make this car run better and what plans we have for the future of this project. Before starting the car, I checked the oil, which appeared to be well within the margins. Next, I grabbed a can of SeaFoam and used the remaining fluid to break up some chunks that could be left in the oil from sitting for so long. I also ended up replacing two vacuum lines that were visible in the engine bay. After doing those two things, I started the car and drove it out of the garage. Upon leaving my driveway, the car seemed to run better from the minor repairs I made. However, once it left the driveway, it continued to stutter. The brakes locked up a few times, and the transmission couldn't decide what gear it wanted to be in. So, with that being said, I still managed to make it to the main road, turned right, and stepped on the gas to reach a new top speed of 80 miles per hour before turning around and heading back. All in all, I believe this was a good test run, but let me know your thoughts in the comments below. In conclusion, it ran better, but not by much. The next step will be to check the transmission and the wiring harness for any abnormalities. Once we figured that out, we can move on to gaskets and seals. After that, we just might be ready to tear this car apart. But for the moment, this is Chad's Shop. Let's build something cool. If you enjoy the content and want to see more like this, please visit my Patreon to support me on my automotive journey.